Welcome to the How To in 2 Hip Hinge Edition. It's important to learn how to hip hinge properly to avoid injuring your back. Hip hinge exercises include the bent over row, the deadlift, the Romanian deadlift, the good morning, and the kettlebell swing. Let's review a training exercise that will teach you how to maintain your neutral spine while performing the hip hinge. Find a dowel or broomstick and place it on your back. If your spine is aligned properly, you will feel the dowel on the back of your head, in between your shoulder blades and your sacrum, which is just below your lower back, with space at your neck and lower back. Be sure to reach your chin and chest towards each other and keep the collarbones wide. Now soften your knees. Maintaining the 3 points of contact on the dowel, slowly hinge at your hips until you feel a stretch in your hamstrings, which are the muscles in the back of your upper legs. The more mobile your hamstrings, the further you will be able to hinge, maintaining a neutral spine. If you lose one of the 3 points of contact with the dowel, you've lost your neutral spine position. Stand, reset, and try again. This is not an obvious exercise and will take some practice to get into your body. The good morning. This bodyweight movement is the same as the hip hinge with the dowel. However, the hands are now behind the head with the head gently pressing into the fingers. The bodyweight good morning is a great warm-up exercise that will help increase mobility and strength, particularly in the hamstrings and glutes, and stabilize the back muscles, not to mention improve posture. Beginners can perform 1 to 2 sets of 10 reps as a warm-up prior to hip hinging exercises. One way to improve your hamstring mobility is a standing hamstring stretch. Start standing with your toes and heels together. Place a heel on a bench or chair directly in front of the hip with the toes facing upward. Keeping your hips square, gently hinge with your back in the neutral position, holding for 30 seconds on each leg. The prone back extension is an additional exercise that will help strengthen and stabilize your back and help with the hip hinge. For a tutorial of the prone back extension, click the card in the top right corner of the screen now, or click the link in the description below. Learning how to hip hinge properly is important and will allow you to safely perform various fitness exercises. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.